Photomontage is the clever manipulation of elements from different photos to create a new image. Art experts might have you believe that it started with the surrealist and Dada artists like Hannah Hoch, when in fact they got many of their ideas from fantasy postcards that were issued years before they snipped their first ever photos. In the Photomontage postcard world, anything was possible, and like a YouTube video today, one simple postcard issued by an obscure backstreet photographer can wind up being viewed by millions worldwide, creating an infinite cultural feedback loop and spawning countless spin-offs, the effects of which could still be reverberating decades later. These photomontages don't pretend to accurately depict reality like some pretentious mainstream news agency. In fact, these cards revel in their childish naivety, ambiguity, vulgar humour and lack of respect for realism. Often, if they do resemble the world in any way, it's merely luck or a figment of your imagination rather than by design and intention. And yet, paradoxically, it's funny how they often seem to have an uncanny knack of achieving something that even the most distinguished meteorologist would envy: the ability to glimpse the future. It's as if by randomly reshuffling a pack of cards, we're more likely to come up with a solution for the world's problems than a logical, well thought through plan. So let's see if we can accidentally predict our own cardboard happy ending. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Now that you've seen that video, you might want to click on these other cardboard adventures.